tucked away in the rolling hills of Lancaster, Kentucky, where the streets are quiet, the neighbors wave, and life moves at the pace it was meant to. This is the kind of place people dream about. This was home. From the moment you walk through that front door, you feel it, the warmth, the welcome. And there in the heart of the home, a beautifully updated kitchen where Sunday dinners were made from memory, where the coffee was always on, and nobody ever left hungry. And just up a flight of stairs, a bonus room ready for whatever life brings next. And down the hall, the guest rooms, where the grandkids piled in on holidays and the great-grandkids took their very first naps. Tucked in tight under antique quilts, worn soft by years of love and laughter, these rooms didn't just offer a place to sleep, they offered a place to belong. That floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, it didn't just warm the room. It warmed every soul who ever gathered around it. The primary suite, a true retreat, and just beyond. And a stunning walk-in tile shower. 2 mirrors. 2 sinks, side by side, just like they've always been. And then, you step outside, where the air is sweet and the world slows down. Where those precious fur babies spent their happiest days, noses to the ground, tails never stopping, racing through that big open yard like they owned every inch of it. And there the koi pond, where 2 people would sit in the quiet, watching the water, counting their blessings, every single